We're spending another lovely day in the forest. Today I want to tell you about something special we have here in Sweden. It's called Right of Public Access. Such a boring name, right? It means we can go anywhere in nature. It doesn't matter if the lake or the forest or wherever we want to go is on someone else's land. We can go there whenever we want. In Swedish we call it allemansrätten. Of course you're not allowed to go onto someone's private garden or private farm or cross a field with crops, but pretty much anywhere else we're allowed to go. We're free to roam the woods, pick mushroom and berries, hike on private roads, bike, horse ride, ski, pitch a tent, and even make a campfire. And this is pretty much everywhere. Isn't that amazing? I know that to a lot of you this sounds absolutely crazy that we're allowing strangers to walk on our land and use our private roads, but for us it's just normal. And it's even in our constitution. We learn all about this when we're little, and we're taught to respect nature and to leave nature as it were when we came, and to not destroy, disturb or litter. This is something that's been around in Sweden for generations and generations, and it's always been working, and that's something we're really proud of. In the description I will post a link where you can read more about it if you plan to come to Sweden. So I was thinking, today I'm going to use my right to go in the nature to show you a couple of beautiful places around here. But of course, first we need to prepare something really good for the bag, right? Never tastes as good as when you're in the nature. We're spending another lovely day in the forest. There's like a viewing point here where we have a view all the way down to the ocean. It's really beautiful, and I can't hear anything. It's just the silence of the woods, the wind and the squeaking trees. This is another one of my favorite spots to go. It's on a little island which is connected to the mainland with a bridge, and we have the sea right here, and it's full of bird life, and the waves are rolling in here very peacefully, and yeah, it's really nice to just go here and get some energy. Now, time for some food. Hot dogs or chorizo over open fire near the ocean. It can't be better. So simple, but also so good. And it's probably not the taste that does it, it's the view, don't you think? This makes the food taste so much better. I found a message from the fairies in the forest. It says here they want us to bring our rubbish back home and throw it in a bin instead of the nature. It's good. Fairies looks after the forest.
Patrik!
Ja?
Vi ska sova ute i natt. Ska du med?
Ja! The last couple of days has been really nice, and I hope I've been able to show you how beautiful the nature is around here. If you want to come here and visit, this area is called Sörmland, and it's only a short bit from Stockholm, so it's very easy to get to. I put a couple of links in the description so you can find out more about it. I will keep showing you more beautiful spots of Sweden within the next few videos, but for now, take care of each other and stay safe.